Accidents happen, but knowing how to navigate the aftermath with State Farm makes all the difference. Okay, let's break down the steps for filing an auto claim with State Farm, making the process as smooth as possible. First, prioritize safety. Ensure everyone is safe and the scene is secure. Then, collect important information. This is crucial, so begin gathering details right away. Gather as much information as possible, including the date, time, and location of the accident, the names, contact details, and insurance information of everyone involved. And most importantly, take photos and/or videos of the damage. If a police report was filed, get that information too. Now, it's time to file your claim. State Farm offers several convenient ways to do this. You can file online through their website, using their mobile app, or by calling their claims phone number. It's all about finding what works best for you. Filing a claim online or via the app is often the quickest route. Expect to answer questions about the accident and upload any photos or supporting documents. Next, you should submit all of your information. Once your claim is submitted, a State Farm claims representative will reach out to you promptly. They'll handle everything from assessing the damage to working with repair shops and providing you with updates throughout the process. They can also help get you a rental car, if you need one, while your vehicle is being repaired. That way, you can track your claim's progress and stay informed every step of the way. With these straightforward steps, you're now one step ahead of the claim process. Remember, State Farm is there to support you every step of the way.